Hey, welcome back to channel. So today I'll show you how actually the follow me lamps work on every car. Nowadays mostly all cars do have these features. So let's see. This follow me feature actually helps you how, like if you have parked the car in a very dark location. Right now I would have done that, but the camera quality would have reduced a lot. So the thing is how, see now this road is dark actually. It looks bright in the camera but it's actually dark. So I'll just show you. It actually works when you have parked your car in a very dark location, and you have a very dark passage to go. Like for example, take this road, it's dark. Okay, so you don't have anything, no light or anything, no street lamps or anything. So this follow me lamps help you actually how. So this, I have turned on the lights. Just keep your lights on and then leave your car, close the door, and just press the lock button. Now just take a look over here and take the look. It will switch off. Lock, headlamps are off. There you see, lights off. Okay, so I'll show you again. And how will this turn on? I'll unlock the car, and once I open the door, just look at this, lights are on automatically and there's nobody inside. So what modern and high-end cars have this features that they all cars come with this features, most of the cars. So once you lock, it will switch off. But high-end cars also have this feature where if you press the unlock button without opening the door, just press the unlock button and the headlamps will switch on again. So my Nissan Sunny doesn't have this, but it has another feature. Now as I open the door, the lights will turn on, but it has another feature. So everything is off, the ignition and all the accessories, everything is off. So if I just give the pass button, like I'll just pull it like high beam you do, just not not the push one but just the pull one. If I do what actually it does when your headlights are on, if you just do it this way, you will get this dipper. But keeping the headlights off, and if I do that, my headlights will remain on for 30 seconds. See, just take a look and see, the headlight is on the off position. And now it will remain on for 30 seconds and automatically it will switch off. I won't lock or anything. I'll stand here for you. I'll show you both. There you go, it's switched off automatically. I didn't lock. If you think I have locked, then see, the door is open still. This remains for 30 seconds. Some cars don't come with this feature, but companies should start giving this feature to all cars. It's very important and very necessary also. It helps a lot. Personally telling, it helps a lot. Some of you all might think that keeping your lights off and then locking your car might drain your battery also. It might drain over a long period of time. Like if you're going like for around 10-15 minutes or max to max half an hour, then it's fine. But if you're keeping it like whole night, then it might battery. So don't do that. Like if you're keeping it for a short span, then okay, you can do that. But this feature in my Sunny particularly, every Sunny actually, it is very helpful. So thank you for watching. Hope you all like this video. Do subscribe.